everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this coaster. I use 4.5 millimeters hook and 4.5 millimeters yarn. This is acrylic yarn. Make a magic circle, insert your hook under this yarn, pull up yarn. Make 1, 2 chains, yarn over, go to this ring, stitch first round in this ring, pull up yarn, yarn over. We have 3 yarns on hook, pull through 2 yarns together, pull through 2 yarns together, make double crochet stitches, yarn over, go to this ring, pull up yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns, yarn over, go to this ring, pull up yarn, pull through, make double crochet stitches. Now we have 1, 2, 3, continue, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We make 9 double crochet with first chains. We have 10 stitches. Go to top of first chains, insert your hook under these yarns, slip stitch, make 1, 2 chains, yarn over, go to first stitch in here, make double crochet, yarn over, go to next stitch, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, yarn over, go to next stitch, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, continue to stitch, take 2 loops from here and repeat, make 2 double crochet in every stitch and repeat, go to last stitch, 1, 2 stitches. In here in total we have 20. I show 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 stitches. Go to top of first chains, slip stitch. In third round continue like this, make a chain, go to first stitch, take 2 loops on your hook, make 1 single crochet. Now we make 1 single crochet in first stitch, yarn over, go to next stitch in here, make 1 double crochet, go to same stitch, 2 double crochet, go to next stitch, make one single crochet, yarn over, go to next stitch, make one double crochet, in same stitch 2 double crochet, go to next stitch, one single crochet, and repeat. In here 1, 2 double crochet, single crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, make a single crochet. I shall complete this round like this: single crochet, 2 double crochet, single crochet, 2 double crochet, and complete. Go to this, I show into last stitch I made 2 double crochet, go to in this stitch, make one single crochet, go to last stitch, make one double crochet, 2 double crochet. Now we have one single crochet, 2 double crochet in this stitch until here. In here we have single crochet, 2 double crochet. In first stitch we made one single crochet. I show this is single crochet stitch in first stitch. Insert your hook into this first chain under these yarns, a slip stitch, make 1, 2 chains. This is fourth round. 2 chains, yarn over, go to same stitch. In first stitch we have one single crochet in first stitch, make 1, 2 double crochet. I show. Now we have 2 double crochet with these chains, we have 3 stitches. In here skip single crochet, we have 2 double crochet stitches. Now we make 2 double crochet with first chains, we have 1, 2, 3 stitches. Skip 1 double crochet, go to this, I show. In here make 1 single crochet, yarn over, go to single crochet, make 1, 2, 3 double crochet, skip 1 double crochet, make single crochet, go to single crochet, make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, skip 1 double crochet, make 1 single crochet, and repeat. I made this stitch until here. Go to skip 1 double crochet, go to this stitch, make 1 single crochet, go to top of first chains, slip stitch, in here make a chain, go to first stitch, pull up yarn, make single crochet, add 1 chain, make make single crochet, add 1 chain, yarn over, go to, skip 2 stitch, go to here, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, add 1 more chain in here, skip 1 double crochet, go to top of second double crochet, make single crochet, add 1 chain, skip this stitch, go to this single crochet, make 1 double crochet, 2, 3, add 1 chain, skip 1 stitch, go to this stitch, 1 single crochet, make a chain, go to single crochet, 1, 2, 3, double crochet, make a chain, skip 1 double crochet, make 1 single crochet, add 1 chain and repeat. I made this stitch until here, make a chain, go to top of this single crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, add 1 chain, go to first single crochet, slip stitch, in here, continue, make a chain, continue like this. We have 2 loops in top of these stitches, go to these loops, insert your hook into this loop, take back loop, slip stitch, make 1 chain, go to next stitch, take back loop, slip stitch, make a chain, slip stitch, make a chain, slip stitch. I should go to first stitch, slip stitch,